Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. Today I am going to make mayonnaise. We'll see how to make mayonnaise from fresh cream. So let's go to my kitchen. Also we can make in different ways, so I will show you the easiest. To make the mayonnaise we need Amul fresh cream, olive oil, salt and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, pepper powder and a little bit of garlic paste, fine paste. You can use any oil you wish. I am using olive oil. And now we'll see what we have to do. First we have to remove the excess water from the Amul fresh cream and take the cream alone and start beating it with little oil. We can add the oil little by little. Don't add it at once. If you have an electric beater, it's very good. You can make it fast. Also you can do it with a whisk, but I am using an electric beater so that I can make it fast. See, I am adding the oil little by little. If you add the oil little by little, you get the correct consistency for the mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise is very thick if you add little by little. If you will add it at once, you can't get the correct taste of mayonnaise. After beating it with the oil well and when it thickens, if you need a little bit more, you can add that excess water which we took from the Amul fresh cream. After beating fully, add salt as much as required and beat it well. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you want it a little bit spicy, you can add a little bit more. I am adding 1 teaspoon. Then also add the garlic paste. Don't add too much of garlic paste so that you get only the smell of garlic. So add a little bit and beat it well once again. Finally add half tablespoon of corn flour and mix it well. After that beat it once again. Now the mayonnaise is ready and you can refrigerate it and use it whenever you want. It can be kept up to 1 week. You can use it for any food you wish. I hope so you like this video. If you love this video, like, comment and share. Also please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon too. Until next, take care. Bye bye.